ये जो न्यूज़ आइटम यमुना के पॉइजनिंग के बारे में काफ़ी दिनों से न्यूज़पेपर में आ रहा है और आज हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स में भी, और 5 फरवरी को ये आया है हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स, इसमें जो पेपर है और द ट्रिब्यून के पेज 2 पे आया हुआ है। तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है, मेरा व्यू इसमें मैं एक्सप्रेस करना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो इंटेंट किसी भी स्टेटमेंट का बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है और स्टेटमेंट का जो इंटरप्रिटेशन है वो इंटेंट के हिसाब से ही और देखा जाना होता है चाहिए। जिस प्रकार ये कहा जाता है कि भी एयर इज़ गेटिंग पोल्यूटेड, एटमॉस्फेयर इज़ गेटिंग पोल्यूटेड और sea is getting polluted. If someone says that someone is poisoning the sea, the intent is that they must be dropping plastics and chemicals and other things in the sea. So that is the intent. Same way, whole river, no one can poison. So saying that some particular river is poisoned, the intent should be taken as that the harmful contents, chemicals and effluents, waste, somebody might be dumping. So that is the intent of saying that the river is poisoned, and all those who have been dumping these harmful chemicals, industrial waste, and all the authorities, all the personnel who are involved in the dumping it or failing to control the dumpings, or to be asked and answerable in the interest of the safe river. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, Namami Gange program is already on, and in this mission anyone will appreciate that any effluents getting entered into the rivers must end, and people who are instrumental in doing it and failing to control it and check it must rethink that if the rivers have to be really fresh and pure, then any emissions into these rivers, throwing the things into the rivers, must be banned. So suitable steps should be taken in this direction, and Kejriwal ji, whatever he has stated, poisoning of a river should be taken in the spirit that somebody might be dumping the harmful contents which is poisoning the water, unfit for drinking, unfit for swimming, causing skin irritations for the water plants, water animals. So these are sort of poisoning things, and as there have been reports, there are white materials in the form of foggy substances seen on the river water flow, And there are regulatory authorities who can check the water contents at various levels, at various stages, and there have been some reports already in the paper in this regard, and that will give a good idea at what point the things are entering more and more, and at what point the river is relatively pure. So this will give an idea at what point more effluents are entering, because river is found to be not pure at any of the points. That means at every point something or the other undesired substances have been thrown into the rivers. So as it progresses, the contents, harmful contents level keeps on adding and keeps on accumulating and keeps on increasing. So what I feel, we must see the things in the right perspectives and take the actions. As the country has to move towards the developed nation, we must be fair and we must be genuine in the interest of the justice, in the interest of the humanity and happiness for all. Thank you. Please share your views at my mail. I am a senior retired, and I feel that at this stage, if we cannot stand and walk and move around, at least we can share our vast experiences and ideas to help and support the systems till our last breath in a sincere way. Thank you. My email is skjainial@yahoo.co.in. I repeat, skjainial@yahoo.co.in. Thanks again. Thank you so much.